Do you like making $1,000 a day? Who doesn't like that? This is it's gonna be your dream if you haven't done that already, because people usually, their goal is to go from $100 a day and then until they reach the $1,000 a day. Now how about if I tell you there's a system that's gonna make that done for you? Now you don't even have to do anything, all right? You just gonna be like, you're gonna plug the system in and then do few steps, which is gonna be, I'm gonna show you that in just a second, but there's gonna be only 3 steps. Install the app or install the website, and then take your link and then paste that link somewhere, and then you start gonna be making $1,000 a day with very new system. This system haven't been talked about already, and it's gonna be live tomorrow, 2nd of October. Now if you guys are watching this video basically on the 1st, which is gonna be the day I'm uploading this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money, and there's so much bonuses. All right, now make sure to watch this entire video and never miss out, because today we're gonna be showing you very good stuff. All right, now we're gonna be talking about the system called 1K daily system. All right, now this is a very interesting website, and basically it's a system that will literally help you to make $1,000 a day, basically a high ticket commission from just a done for you system. All right, now make sure whenever you are if you ever use the link, which is going to be the first link in my description, which is going to be, there's so many bonuses that I'm going to show you at the end of this video, but this is 100% done for you high ticket commission system. All right, they have 100% done for you traffic, there's 0 tech skills required, and there's 5-figure a day training that is going to be included. Also 100% beginner friendly, and you're going to be starting to make sales starting today. All right, and there's also 180 days money back guarantee, so no brainer guys. All right, you're going to be starting to get unlimited traffic within just basically today. All right, now here's the website, or basically whenever you purchase under my link, you're gonna get this, and there's also many bonuses, which is I'm gonna show you that today. Now this is the website, this is the backend basically. All right, it's 1K daily system. Now make sure to watch these videos. It's a training where it will show you how you can plug this system in. Now you're gonna come into this. Now if you guys want the tutorial, but basically I'm gonna give you the tutorial right now, but if you guys are looking to see a basic like step-by-step tutorial, they have also that. Now here's the most important part. Now whenever you come in here, you're gonna click on the done for you system, that the bottom there. Now here's are the campaigns. Now what is this basically means is they take out all the affiliate networks or basically Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, and they make a funnel for you. Very simple funnel that it's 100% they have done this system to make it high converting. All right, what I mean by high converting is it's gonna convert for you very well. You can edit this from here, you can publish it. Whenever you're done, you can send the traffic. All right, there's only 3 things to do. Now we're gonna click on the edit so that we can show you how this would work out and how you can edit. Now you can see this is the landing page they built for you. All right, now as you can see, discover how to turn your spare time into a side income online business. Now this is the one it's very high converting landing page. People will click on this one and then it will take them into opt-in. They're gonna watch the webinar, and this is even the owner of this, they haven't made this funnel, but 1K daily system, it will literally make the funnel for you. You don't even need to use ClickFunnels, you don't need to use any software, and you can plug and play. Now this is the opt-in page. All right, now the webinar page, this is the webinar page where people, they will come into the webinar, that you can edit them, and there's also the download page content. It's gonna be this one, and you're gonna go to the settings. All right, this is very important. You're gonna go to the settings, and then you're gonna take your webinar page affiliate link basically, and then you're gonna paste it in here. All right, you can also this is optional, you don't have to do this, but the autoresponder very important. you're gonna add your autoresponder, which is how you can do that. We're gonna come in here, and then we're gonna come integration. Yeah, we're gonna click integration. This is the link where you have to click for to connect your autoresponder. Now if you have Aweber, you're gonna able to click it in here. Like me, I do have a get response. I'm gonna click in here so that I can connect my API key, which is already connected. All right, so basically this is what you're gonna be doing. And then you're gonna come to the autoresponder. Now there's also extra done for you campaigns, or basically done for you systems that you can able to plug and play. Like for example, partnership to success, 6 for success, membership success, ClickBank passive income. And there's also you're able to create your own campaign from here as well by just clicking on this bottom as well. Now, but the most important thing that we need is we're gonna click this one. All right, we were in there already. Now we're gonna choose one of the funnels that we are looking. For example, this one, it's a $1,900, so you're gonna be earning per each sale 1,000 from that. Now any sale you get, you're gonna get $1,000. All right, now, and they are done everything for you. You don't have to do anything. Basically all you have to do is connect your autoresponder, and then go to the settings and add your affiliate link. Basically you have to go to your ClickBank and then add your affiliate link in here. Also you're gonna come to the they have also social proof pop-up. There's so many things, you don't even have to do anything. And then you're gonna come to the webinar page, you can add your link as well. Very simple stuff. Now and on top of that, you're gonna get trainings from them as well, so that you can how you're able to do everything and be a super affiliate. Basically this is I kid you not guys, this is very helpful tool for you if you haven't made any money from affiliate marketing. Now you need to get this software, and they will do everything for you. It's called done for you. So all the works have been lifted for you. Now all you have to do is place your affiliate links, and then you're good to go. Now let's go to the page. All right, now this is the page you're gonna land. All right, I'm gonna show you the bonuses after 2 minutes from now, so make sure to bear with me 2 minutes, so that because these bonuses you're gonna get, it is mind-boggling. All right, so you have to stick with me. Now once you land on this page, where you're gonna get the link, first link in my description included my bonuses. All right, now once you click that, you're gonna land on this page. This is the page you're gonna land in. Now you're gonna come in this, it says world first automated high ticket commission app, generates 1,000 payday and unlimited free traffic in under 60 seconds. Right, it's very very insane, right? And you're gonna watch this video to understand more about this. These are all the things they are gonna do for you. 100% done for you, high commission, 100% free traffic built in, 0 tech skills required, because they have done everything for you. 5-figure per day, basically 1,000 per day, training included. 100% beginner friendly, no email list, no paid traffic, nothing required. Make sale or we will send you 75 in compensation. So if you don't make, even the software it doesn't cost that. It's very cheap. All right, you're gonna get it for less than $20. So this is very interesting. You're gonna get 180-day money back guarantee. Now make sure guys, when you're watching this video, all right, you have only 30 minutes, else all the deals, all the bonuses will disappear, and you're gonna get it for the normal price. All right, now for right now, you're gonna get 90% off one-time price, 0 monthly fee. You're gonna get 0 monthly fee, and there's 90% off. Now make sure to hurry up and grab this with the bonuses, where I'm gonna show you the bonuses in just a second. I keep saying that, but bear with me guys. All right, step 1, you're gonna quick and grab your copy. All right, means the product, and then you're gonna log in, configure some basic settings, and enter your affiliate link. Sit back and watch the 1,000 sales rolled in. That's pretty much it. Grab the software, log in, and then do whatever I said, and then sit back and then watch the money float in. This is how simple it is. As you can see, all these are money coming in. Now we're gonna go to, it's taking too long, right? All right, so here's the bonuses. All right, multiple free traffic software, the value for that is 1,900, almost 2,000. We're giving you free access to our premium free traffic software, which will help you get hard or traffic 0 cost. So it's 0 cost for that. Bonuses number 2, 100% extra bonuses value $1,000. This includes full collection of our best products, including some of our incredible methods and powerful software. Bonus number 3, right? You think only not 2, there's more. Guaranteed approval to high converting affiliate offer. Now this is the one thing that I'm so interested in that. That's the reason why I joined. All right, because you guys know that in with affiliate marketing, usually on the high tickets or like there's some of the affiliates, they don't like people to join. All right, now for this you're gonna get guaranteed approval. Now whenever you have access to the software, you have access to all the affiliates approval. All right, and bonus number 4, multiple exclusive live web streams. That means they're gonna be live streaming and showing you guys tips and tricks to make more money. Right, they have live streams. Now these are the bonuses you're gonna get. Apart from that, you're gonna get one extra bonus. All right, my bonus is gonna be, this is what you have to do, is I'm gonna give you my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing guide, that basically training that I do it only for 30 members are inside of that. So I'm gonna give to everyone who are exclusive to this. You're gonna get my free, it's 100% free once you join that, which I don't give it to anyone else. But if you buy this using my link, you're gonna get access to that as well. So apart from that, you're gonna get my free training, you're gonna get these bonuses, you're gonna get everything. And don't forget that this bonus will disappear, and basically for me it's 12 minutes, but I already bought the software. Now if you end up in this page and it's literally 30 minutes, then you have to grab it before the timer end, else the price will go back to the normal price and you will lose out on a lot of bonuses, and you're gonna get it's not gonna be one-time payments. All right, so make sure to grab the software right now. If you guys use my link, also there's gonna be my bonuses. Now I hope you guys like this video. Now make sure if you guys do to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.